In this guide, we're going over how you could fix a FireStick remote not working or pairing using 5 easy fixes. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first step is just to check the basics. Make sure your batteries are full and ideally use alkaline batteries. Also, keep your remote within about 5 meters of your Fire Stick so that it can stay connected properly. The next thing that you're going to want to do, though, is restart your Fire Stick, unplug it for power for about 5 to 30 seconds, and this is called a power cycle, and it can fix a lot of common connection issues. If that didn't work, the next thing that you're going to want to do is try repairing the remote. So turn your TV back on, go back to the home screen, and press and hold down on the home button for about 5 seconds until the blue light starts flashing. That usually means it's pairing. If it's still not working, though, go ahead and reset the remote. The best way to do this is to just flip the remote over, remove the batteries for a few seconds, put them back in, and then hold down on that home button again until the light starts flashing. If you're still having issues though, you're going to want to do a full remote reset. So turn off your TV and unplug the Fire Stick and the TV, and then press and hold down the menu button, the back button, and the left button together for about 15 seconds. After that, flip the remote over, remove the batteries from the remote, and then plug your Fire Stick back into power and wait until the screen does load. From here, press and hold down the home button again until it starts pairing. And as the last resort, you could try resetting the Fire Stick through these settings. You could do this by going all the way over to the settings, going down to My Fire TV, opening it up, and then going down to Reset to Factory Defaults. You could also use your phone as a temporary remote using the Fire TV app, but hopefully one of these steps did fix your issue. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.